Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Finally, after a long wait from last week, I'm uploading shorts, and then this is the video after a very long wait. And now with me, I have the latest Matchbox Moving Parts mix. So we'll be seeing this mix in a great detail. So please do check out my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and do share my channel with all your friends. So now without wasting time, let's see all of the cars in the latest Matchbox Moving Parts mix. For the first ever time, I'm showing you the Matchbox Moving Parts in my YouTube channel. This is the 1963 Ford Thunderbird from the latest mix. So now this is new for 2025. You have the Ford logo there, and then you have the metal guaranteed for lifetime logo there, and then this is the Matchbox Moving Parts. So first look at the card art. The card art is fantastic, and it is way different from the Hot Wheels card art. And as this is the Matchbox Moving Parts, this comes with the openable bonnet. So this is the 1963 Ford Thunderbird. This is for 3 plus obviously, and this is that metal logo. Talking about a very interesting thing is this comes with plastic free packing, so there's no plastic at all in the packing, and this is very good for environment. And then talking about the other aspect, they use the recycled metal. In this case mostly it is the recycled zinc, and then you have the ISCC logo there. So this is the 1963 Ford Thunderbird. I wouldn't be able to show you much details without uncarding it. If I get proper response for this, I would love to uncard all of them and show you all these cars in much great details. So I would say this Matchbox Moving Parts, it is already semi uncarded. I'll tell you why. So this part is carded, and this is like open. You can literally feel the foam. You can touch the car, and you can touch the wheels. So look how cool the packing is. And then talking about few details at the back. So then there's that Ford official licensed information there, and then the month and year of manufacturing is 6/20/25, and then the month and year of import is 7/20/25, and the MRP for it is 399 after the latest GST revision, so the price should be much lesser. So overall, so this is the Matchbox Moving Parts 1963 Ford Thunderbird, which comes with the openable bonnet. Let's move on to the next car in this mix. So the next car in this mix that I would like to show you is the 2018 Ford Focus RS. So now talking about the card art again, the card art is fantastic, and this comes again with the openable bonnet. In Matchbox Moving Parts, you either have the openable doors or the bonnets or the tailgate. So this is I like the color of this car, and it matches the wheel very well. And this again has the Ford official license product information there. So overall, this is a very nice one, I would say, but most of the cars in this mix is underrated. So do let me know in the comments, what do you think about this set? Do you like it or not, or is it underrated? Moving on, so this is new for 2025, and then you have the Maserati logo there. And then, so looking at the card art, you would have guessed that it has openable doors, and you're right. And this is the 2024 Maserati Granturismo. Overall, I would say this is one of the best cars in this mix. Why I say best is that because I love this car in this mix. So do let me know in comments what is your thoughts on this. And then talking about the licensed information, you again have the license information at the back. So this is the 2024 Maserati Granturismo with the openable doors. How nice it is, right guys? For $399 you're getting movable parts. Now let's move on to the next one here. The next one here is the 1984 Rover SD1 Vitesse. So now this comes with the openable bonnet, and then again this is new for 2025. So overall, I love this color, and the wheel matches very well. And again, I can feel the car like how I told you before. And in talking about the licensed product, you have the Rover licensed information there. So this was it guys. So let's move on to the next set of cars. So the next one here is the 2024 Ford Excursion. This comes with the openable bonnet, and I see a lot of engine details in the card art. So I would say this is one of the heaviest in this Matchbox mix, but I'm not very sure until I uncard it. Overall, this color is very nice, and it is, I would say it's up to you. You may like want to add it in your collection or not. And talking about the licensed information, you even have the Ford official license product information there. This was the 2024 Ford Excursion. Moving on, so this is the last car in this mix. This is the pickup truck. This comes with the openable bonnet. So this is the 1994 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning in a very nice color. So again, I love the wheels and the color combination. It matches very well. And talking about the movable parts, here you would see two arrows here indicating there are two movable parts. So one is the obviously the openable bonnet, and then you have the openable tailgate. How nice it is! Just for $399, you're getting two openable parts. Well, I would say moving parts. This is the 1994 Ford SVT Lightning. And talking about the license information, so you have the license and information there. And overall, it says a minimum of 70% ISCC certified plastic, mass balanced approach. So a very good for environment that they're not using plastic, and I love the packing. So this is very different when you like check it with Hot Wheels. So overall, this is a very nice one. You can either uncard it or you can keep it carded, but it is already semi-carded. So do let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. This is the latest Matchbox mix. So for more such videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out my other videos. And guys, please follow me on Instagram. See you guys in my next video.